and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai, bringing you the news and events from Meghalaya. The headlines for today are: Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council intends to clean the polluted rivers in Shillong and its adjoining areas. Kidney diseases are curable, provided timely treatment, says Dr. I. Kharbuli. East Khasi Hills Local Taxi Welfare Association to hold general meeting to elect new office bearers. And HNYF and students stage demonstration against pollution emitted from Narang Weighbridge in Ribhoi district. And now the news in detail. The Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council today announced that it is looking for resources to clean polluted rivers of Shillong and its adjoining areas. The rivers in and around Shillong have become highly polluted due to throwing of rubbish and discharge of waste into these rivers. Speaking to the media, the Chief Executive Member of KHADC, T.W. Khan, said, competent authorities such as Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board, Shillong Municipal Board and KHADC need to discuss this issue.
Ada ki kerja notification sekidor Shillong bagi deban bu ru yaki jing maham ki signboard lani wat ki volunteers ru teng kamtam hakini ki jaka ki baki ba ki julet ban le sobha ban bam khana wat ban sajaj hoi ngimla ban khang iki bakin sum bakin sajaj ki wa namar ki diki mo ki chanong kendong le ka kam kata ka kor kim dadon ribun ki bam ki dium na ki wa lani ki sajaj ki wa te hoi ki ha ban penung kam hi ka wa tang ba ka de ban don ka jing tri lang pat na ka snong knang ba kin maintain ya ka jing khoi jing suba ban me bret jo bo ban me bret ja haki wa ki jongki.
Kidney diseases are curable, says nephrologist Dr. I. Kharbuli. Speaking at a program held at Woodland Hospital in Shillong, Dr. Kharbuli said, kidney disease are curable, provided treatment is timely. She made this statement while addressing the members of Woodland Hospital and Oscar Memorial Secondary School, La Usip, Lumbatang and Nongthamai, after taking out a procession from Woodland Hospital to Civil Hospital to observe the World Kidney Day.
Number one, kadai ba fidei ban kunduna yaka bam yaki kunduna bam no barka bam shini. Ik wooden diabetes di ban control yaka sugar jongki, but wooden pressure kukin have control hai yaka blood pressure jongki. Kidai ban di umba, especially kinong that kinong balasni driver taxi, but kinong lum.
The general meeting of East Khasi Hills Taxi Welfare Association will be held at Malki Ground in Shillong on the 12th of this month at 12 noon. The purpose of this meeting is to elect the new office bearers of the association.
General meeting general meeting kandai haka khat artarik haka sisjan haka puar kami bijin mustam kinbun gijing niat ther haka tugusngi bar kandon ro gijing penthmai ginung kitkam jongka East Khasi Hills Local Taxi Welfare Association.
As part of the World TB Month celebration, Office of Tuberculosis Officer organized a school awareness program and quiz competition on tuberculosis at the Divine Saviour Higher Secondary School on the 9th of March 2022, and today, the 10th of March 2022, a school awareness program on tuberculosis was also held at Dinat Manik's Aim Higher Secondary School, Shillong, by Dr. M. Mauri, State Tuberculosis Officer, and his team.
Not less than 6 months. No TB can be treated with less than 6 months duration. So that is the problem.
Parents of Paha Mauling 20th Mile today staged a demonstration in front of the Weighbridge at Narang area in Ribhoi district. The demonstration was held to protest against pollution emitted from the Weighbridge.
Tikiwan sengi bang support lam yang ni kejing yami pebak ski bandawa bonweng no yang ni la ne barkang talan le penbahan ayo.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.